I am powering this whole entertainment system with this power station. So when I was a kid, one of the worst things that happened was we'd be watching a movie on a rainy night and boom, the power would go out, so the TV and everything would go out. So then we had to continue the movie on a tiny little laptop, and I have a lot of siblings, so we would all crowd around it. And I was like, I don't want that to happen to my family. So I have a power station powering this whole system. This is the Anker Solix C1000. It can do up to 1000 watts. I think it has a 100,000. It's got a big battery, and we're going to show you how it works with running this whole system. Let me show you everything that will be powering. So we've got an OLED 65-inch TV right here, Samsung. Got two HomePods as the speakers, Apple TV, Switch, PlayStation 5, DVD player, the Wi-Fi router, very important, and as you see, RGB down there, and a network switch down there. So there's a lot going on here. So without further ado, let's unplug the power station and show it running. Let's unplug. All right, we have unplugged. We are fully on basically UPS power. TV still on, PS5 still on. Everything is still working. And the goal is, we're watching a movie, power blips out, and we can finish the movie before the power station runs out. Let's see how long that would take. Okay, so I have a game playing on the PS5 right now, just so the PS5 is actually doing some work and pulling as much power as possible, like in a normal gaming session. And everything else will be idle except the TV, because that's a perfect scenario. If I was watching TV, I'd be using the Apple TV and the PS5 would be off. Vice versa, if the DVD was playing, then everything else would be off. So let's see how much power we're using. 99%, we're using about 289 watts, so let's just round up to 300 watts, and this will last for about 3 hours. And 3 hours is not bad, unless we're watching like Lord of the Rings or something. We'll be able to finish whatever movie or finish up whatever game for at least another hour or two, and then we can turn off the TV, unplug everything that's non-essential, and just leave the Wi-Fi on, so in case it's like a long blackout, I don't lose internet. So hopefully that helps you out if you're ever wondering if you could power a whole entertainment system off of a Anker C1000. Yes, you can.